Good morning children, this is the video lecture for 9th standard students. I am going to teach you the lesson in chemistry in your science book named Matter Around Us. See the different things all around you. Clock on the wall, fan on the ceiling, toy on the floor, book on the table. See the different things all around you. So matter around us. Matter is a substance which have mass and occupies space, and matter is made up of tiny particles. For example, notebook, pen, pencil, star, sun, planet, air, animals, drops of water, etc. Matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. Classification of matter on the basis of the physical state. There are three physical states of matter, that is solid, liquid and gas. Book is an example for solid, water is an example for liquid state, steam coming out of hot teapot, it is example for gaseous state. You must have seen the three states of water, that is ice, water, steam. Solid state of ice is a solid state of water. Water is a liquid state of water. Steam is a gaseous state of water. Now, let us focus on solid state. Solid state, we take a ball, place it on a small container and then transfer into bigger container. Let's observe something. As you place it in smaller container, see its weight 10 gram. Then transfer into bigger container, see its weight 10 gram. So, shape of the ball does not change. Volume of the ball does not change. So, solid has definite mass, definite volume, definite space. Next. Solid have a definite shape. Example, book, pencil. You must have played with rubber band. When you stretch the rubber band, it changes its shape. When you leave it, it regains its original state. At times, some metallic rod, if you hammer them, it changes the shape permanently. Solid have a definite shape. We do not change the shape on their own. It is only when some external force is applied that change its shape. At times, when the external force is removed, it regains the shape. But sometimes, it changes its shape permanently. Now let us discuss about the liquid state. Now let us take water. First put some quantity of water into the smaller container. Then we will transfer of water into the bigger container. Let us observe what happened. If you put some water in a smaller container, we see it weight 30 gram. It occupies 30 centimeter cube in the smaller container, and it takes the shape of the smaller container. Then transfer into bigger container. What do you observe? We observe the same quantity of water. It occupies the same mass, that is 30 gram, and present in same position, and it occupies 30 centimeter cube. And also observe that water takes the shape of the bigger volume. So see the picture. Liquid have definite mass, definite volume and do not have definite shape. It takes the shape of the container. Let us now observe the gaseous state. Let us observe the characteristics of the gas. The pump contains some gas. When it pressed once, it releases the same amount of gas. So first the gas is pumped in smaller container. You can observe when it pressed once, it releases 2 grams of gas. And this gas takes the shape of the smaller container, and it also occupies space available by the smaller container. So, it takes the volume and shape of the smaller container. Now, same quantity of gas is pumped into the bigger container. We observe that the same quantity of gas weighs the same, that is 2 grams. The gas takes space available in the bigger container. The gas occupies the volume of the bigger container and takes the shape of the bigger container. Gases, the characteristics, it has definite mass, do not have definite volume, do not have definite shape, take the shape and volume of the container in which they are closed. Next class, let us see how we can classify matter on the basis of chemical composition. Thank you, children.